Now, we switch completely the topic of the next performance. We move forward to the third story and the third finalist. That's the project update under the Interreg-IPA CBC Croatia-Serbia program. Now, the topic is robotics, artificial intelligence, 3D printing, and virtual reality. In few words, the STEM education. If we're ready, let's welcome on stage the representative of the update project.
It's a bit cold in here. Can you please update the energy consumption since we are entering the winter period?
Already on it. And I'll even throw in a virtual fireplace for that cozy winter vibe. But remember, it won't warm you up.
Thank you. Thank you. Can you please update my schedule for the next week?
Updating. And don't worry, I've reserved some me time for you. Everyone needs a break from the future now and then.
Yeah, but that is a tough question I want to ask. What if I tell you that I want to update the way of education today? I think we need more skills update for future generations.
I'm looking forward to the question. Of course, take a look at what the Update Project can do for you.
Okay, show me.
The Update Project, Vladimir, is a groundbreaking initiative aimed at revolutionizing the educational landscape. It stands for Future Powered by AI. Our goal is to integrate advanced technologies, such as AI, VR, and 3D printing, into the curriculum, ensuring students are prepared for the challenges and opportunities of the future. Imagine a world where students don't just read about science, they experience it. They don't just solve math problems on paper, they apply them in real-world simulations. That's the vision of the Update Project.
Okay, sounds interesting. What is the focus of this project?
We've collaborated with educational institutions, tech companies, and innovators. Our focus is on STEAM education. By emphasizing hands-on learning and real-world applications, we aim to foster creativity, critical thinking, and problem-solving skills in students.
Now I'm really interested. Can you please show me who was the part of this project, the project consortium?
Okay, try VR headset.
Okay, let's see what you have there for me.
Welcome, Vladimir. Here at Magadenovac, we're responsible for coordinating the various aspects of the Update Project. Our role ensures that all partners work in harmony and everybody gets access to the same resources.
Okay, I see. This is a project coordinator from Croatia. Have you involved anyone else from Croatia?
Hello, Vladimir. We're the tech hub of the Update Project. At OSVIT, we provide the tools, machines, and expertise. Our Fab Lab is where ideas come true.
Wow, this is the future of education. Actually, this is a place where students can bring their ideas to life. But have you involved anyone from cross-border, from the Serbia?
Welcome to the heart of innovation, Vladimir. Novi Sad is proud to introduce the STEAM Fair in Serbia. Here, students showcase their projects, interact with industry experts, and get a glimpse of the future.
Wow, this is really interesting. This seems like a melting pot of creativity and technology. I think this is something that proves the future of such education. And it shows that this initiative is showing a good way of cooperation between those two countries.
Impressed? Just wait until you see the virtual cafeteria food, 0 calories.
Yeah, thank you. But what do you think? What is the future of such initiatives?
Well, if the Internet of Everything goes as planned, even your coffee machine will soon give you morning pep talks.
Thank you.